Thank you, my diaspora ambassador. This time around, we'll be treating theory because you need to be able to cite play. The book you have, if you don't treat this, understand the basics, you will not be able to approach it. You get? So, at the end of this class, part of our objectives are you should understand basic note values, you should be able to identify the staff, and then the symbols, right? Okay, now we'll be treating the stave. The stave or the staff is called either stave or you call it staff. Now, what does it involve? Music is written on a grid of 5 lines called a stave to describe the appropriate range of the instrument from which the music is written. You have your notes already, you can read through or read along with me. Now, this example shows a treble staff generally used for melody instrument. Now, whenever you see a stave, you see them. There are many of them we have in the saxophone book 1. You see it, 5 lines and 4 spaces. And note, you start counting the lines from the down, not from up. Like this is line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line 5. Now, there's also what we call, there's a symbol on the staff. You will see something like this. This is called a clef. It's a treble clef. We're going to be treating 2 clefs for now, for this level. The second one is this. This is the bass clef, but we're not going to be doing this for now, but for the sake of identity. So when you come across it, you should be able to identify that yes, this is a bass clef. Now, this is a treble clef, and this is what you have all through on the saxophone book 1, right? When you get deeper, you start seeing this, maybe on piano pieces and then all of that. Okay, so once this is placed on a particular staff, it now gives us what? A treble staff. When you have this on this staff now, if you want to place this symbol, that's the treble clef symbol, on your stave or staff, this is how you draw it. You start drawing it from line 2. You start this way with a dot, you take it up this way, you take it up this way. I can send you more books on this that will teach you more on the theory of music. So when you have this on the stave, sometimes you have now a note value on it, which we are going to be treating. Let's call this crotchet, right? Whenever you see a note this way, it's good to understand that the staff is divided into equal measures. If you look at your pieces now, you will see some lines, some strokes this way on the staff. These are called bar lines. They divide the staff in equal measure. This first part must have to be same with the second part and should be same with the third, like that. You might have like almost 4 or 5 of them, right? Those are called what? Bar lines. Now this time around,